How to buy Ethereum on MetaMask Wallet. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how you can buy Ethereum on MetaMask Wallet. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the steps on how we can buy Ethereum on MetaMask. So in order to buy Ethereum on MetaMask, you can just connect your MetaMask wallet to portfolio.metamask.io or click the buy button in the MetaMask mobile app, which is available on Google Play Store. After that, just log it into your MetaMask account and you should be able to find an option where you can select your reason. After that, you just need to choose a payment method such as Robinhood, PayPal, card payments, digital wallets, bank transfer, local payment methods, and all. You may just select any of the payment method. After that, on step 4, you may just select the token and network you want to purchase on. In this case, ETH, which is known as Ethereum. After doing so, just select. After that, enter the amount desired in fiat and select a quote from the different available providers. After that, just complete the purchase by going on with the process by entering your details. After that, you can also add a custom network to MetaMask by opening a MetaMask in your browser, clicking on the Ethereum network and clicking add network. After that, clicking add if you see the network you want to add to the list, and you can just add custom network just like that. So another thing is MetaMask does not store or have access to any personal information you provide when you are buying a crypto. However, you should store your secret recovery phase in a safe place, such as writing it down on a piece of paper. This is the only way to recover your funds if your device crashes or your browser resets. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to buy Ethereum on MetaMask very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.